Hey guys, it's Matt here. Today is not October.
September.
It's September, man.
20th. We need a calendar here to remind you.
iPhone's a month late. Hey guys, it's Matt here. Today is September 20th, 2019, and it's the official launch day of the new iPhone 11. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing video, pretty much as simple as that. So without further ado, let's go into the video. Okay, so here's the box. Really nice attention to detail. They actually colored the Apple logo and the Apple text to the actual same color as the device, which is unexpected, unneeded, but it's just a nice little touch they added there. But with the 11, you get the same standard white box as every other year, so really not much changed apart from obviously you have the iPhone 11 picture on top. Okay, so I've already broken the seal. I feel like this color is more of like a whitewash lilac. It reminds me of something like that rather than purple. Purple to me would be much more saturated, and this is very subtle. I feel like maybe guys could rock it. So on the front, you just have the standard screen with the notch. It's still not OLED. It's still that 750p. But on the back, you obviously have this new dual camera system, which is new to the sort of budget iPhone model. It does have wide angle, so you don't have that optically zoomed sensor. So you don't have that optically zoomed lens, which I think is better. I think it's better to have a wide angle one. Obviously, they moved the Apple logo down, and they've removed some text and made it a little bit simpler. Anyway, just taking the screen protector off, as you can see, it's pretty beautiful. It has a really nice shimmer to it. Obviously, it's as clean as it's ever going to be. In terms of weight, it's pretty much the same as the 10R, and almost in every single way, it just reminds me of a 10R, and they've kind of stuck on an ultra-wide camera, which I feel is kind of what they did with the 11, but it's still a great phone. So the 10R price is in at $599, this price is in at $699, so it's $100 more, and it really depends whether you think the upgrade is worthwhile. So it has an extra camera lens, you're getting the wide angle like I said, and also you're getting 20% extra performance out of the CPU. You also have the 40% more efficiency as well, so you're going to get much longer battery life on this than the 10R. So it depends whether you think those things will make this worthwhile, the extra $100. To me, I think it actually is. So booting up the device, standard Apple logo, pretty much the same as every other iPhone from this point onwards. So I'm just going to place it at the side and we're going to take a look inside the box just to see what's in there, but I'm pretty sure we all know. At the top here we have the quick start guide, and then we have the old style plug, so there's no fast charge on this guy. And we obviously have those lightning earbuds, no AirPods or anything like that included. Anyway, let's just go ahead and set this up. So I'm just going to log into all my info and everything and get it going. So here we are, iOS 13, pretty much the same as every single beta you've seen online. You have the new dark mode, you have faster performance, and obviously just like on the 10R, you do have the haptic touch, so no 3D touch here, but there's also no 3D touch on the new Pro as well, so Apple are full out getting rid of that. Jumping into the camera app, the only physical difference we can actually see is there's a button to go wide angle, so as you can see, you can fit a lot more in frame, so this would be good for landscape photos. And something cool I figured out was that it automatically can detect if you need to go wide angle mode, and it can pretty much just switch on its own, which is really handy. Anyway guys, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and peace out.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in